Hello and welcome. Today for Canva Design, we're going to teach you how to create gold text using Canva. I'm going to do like an Instagram post for St. Patty's Day because we're in March. So I'm going to check my design and I want to use Instagram post. I want to search for a leprechaun. Try that again. Not working for me. I use this design here because I think it's cool. I'm going to make it take over the page. And I want to add golden text. So I come down to apps. I type in text maker. Oh, gotta spell. Anyways, it's the M here, so not marker, text maker. I want to find a gold one, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom because there's a fancy gold one. Or maybe not. Oh, there it is. I'm going to type in what I want. So I want to put happy I want to add the design and then add the text. Then I'm going to adjust it on the screen, make it a little bigger, and then all I have to do is download and export it. Stay tuned for the next Canva training.